Hello, my name is Othmane. It's so great to meet you. I'm an English teacher from Morocco, and I hold a degree in English studies. I have a huge passion for languages and helping students build their confidence in speaking. In my classroom, making mistakes is completely okay, because that is exactly how we learn. Are you ready to get started today? Awesome, let's go. Oh no, I have a problem. I need to write a note, but my pen is out of ink. I need a pen. You have a pen. How can I ask you for it? Should I say, can I lend your pen or can I borrow your pen? Excellent try. If you said borrow, you're exactly right. So today, we're going to master the difference between borrow and lend. Let's start with borrow. Borrow means to take something for a short time and the action is coming to you. For example, this is your book. Okay, can I borrow your book? Can I borrow it? I take it, I read it, and then I give it back. Okay? So, let's look at lend. Lend means to give something for a short time. The action goes away from you. For example, this is my book. I will lend you my book. I give it to you. You read it, and then you give it back to me. So remember, borrow is to take. Okay? Lend is to give. Alright, now it's your turn. Let's practice. I'm going to give you a sentence, okay? And I want you to tell me if we should use borrow or lend. Number 1. Can you please me $10? Yes, lend. Can you please lend me $10? Because you are giving it to me. Fantastic job. Number 2. I forgot my jacket. Can I? Yours? Perfect. Borrow. Because you are taking the jacket. You're doing amazing. You did a brilliant job today. You perfectly understand that we borrow when we take and we lend when we give. Remember to practice this in your conversations this week. Thank you so much for your hard work today. I had a great time and I can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.